Alright, yo, what's up guys, it's B-Dog, welcome to the vlog, and today I'm not 100% sure what we're doing, but let me show you some stuff that I bought at Best Buy. Alright guys, so yesterday, as I said, I went to Best Buy and I picked up some stuff. So, first thing I picked up, Logitech, wireless mouse. Next up, we got this thing. Basically, out of the box, this is what it looks like. A VGA to USB, adapter for my monitor I got in the last vlog, so definitely go check that out. I'll probably have a link like right here. So that's that. Next up, keyboard. There we go, fresh out of the box. Instructions no one cares about. It's a keyboard. I'm sure we know how to use it. Whoa, almost dropped it. This is what it looks like. It's Logitech again, basically just because it was cheaper than an Apple one. It's Bluetooth enabled, so there's no cords hanging off of this. Then I also bought a VGA cord. It's already hooked up to my computer, so yeah. Okay, so now that I have that stuff from Best Buy, I'm probably going to plug it in, see how it works, and then I'm going to go do something else. Monitor still doesn't work. That's a bummer, but like I said, now we're gonna do whatever we're gonna do for the rest of the day.
Now I like dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like going to the Tula, I put rocks all in my watch. I like texts from my exes when they want a second chance. I like proving wrong, I do what they say I can't. They call me Cardi.
Done with day one of this computer build setup type thing, and tomorrow in day two, hopefully it goes better and we'll be able to hook this thing up. So I just forgot what I was gonna say. Alright guys, so we are back from Best Buy once again. The old converter that I showed you did not work on iOS 10.13. So got a new converter, Insignia this time. It should work and has better reviews than the last one. So let's see if this will plug in correctly. Okay, my computer is still not working. Basically, the plug does not turn it into a computer. My monitor works with Windows, but not my Mac. I just spent a few hours on the phone with Apple support, Best Buy, Target, and looking things up on the internet. The conclusion I made is I need to go back to Best Buy again and get another cable. So, I go to Best Buy, look around, finally find my little cable I need, and this whole process is absolutely infuriating. And yeah, now we're home, and I have my cable. This thing better work, or else I'm gonna flip a switch. So we plug this guy in, and this screen works. It is day 3 and I just finished editing on this thing. Watch YouTube and text on that screen and then edit on this screen. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to drop a like on this video. Also, be sure to comment that comment word. I didn't put one in last vlog, even though I went on a little bit of a rant about it. But the winner of the comment, competition thing, I believe was the Rose. So, congratulations for that shout out. And, yeah, be sure to subscribe to become part of the doghouse. Again, as I said, we are growing at the moment. And, yeah.